Monica Surana. I'm a second year law student. I'm pursuing my law from Faculty of Law, Delhi University. So it's basically a 3-year LLB course. So I have done already my undergrad from Symbiosis, Pune, my BCom. Now I'm pursuing 3-year LLB from Faculty of Law, Delhi University. I'm in my final year now. Particularly, I made my mind to go in corporate field. So whether you are going in corporate or litigation, drafting is the key for the success in law. So basically, in COVID time, we are getting ample amount of time to pursue to enhance our skills. So I researched upon which courses can I do to enhance my skills. I had a talk with my friends and colleagues and all. So they all suggested me to go for Law Seco. And as I made my mind to have a course to enhance my drafting skills, and I found an appropriate course, so I opted for this one. Actually, there are n numbers of things, but basically the formats of all the major contracts which are involved in, whether in corporates or in civil litigation or a criminal litigation, in all the three types of contracts, basic contracts we learned in this. I learned in this. So regarding like how to file an appeal, what is the format of that? In fact, how like step by step from the initial step of a proceeding when it starts till the time a final submission takes place, the whole procedure also we learned upon. And if we talk about the commercial contracts, then I learned upon the how we can form MOU, how to form employee agreement contract, then how to frame upon non-disclosure agreements. As I'm focusing upon corporate law ahead, so basically I focus my drafting skills. I focused upon these MOU, how to draft MOUs and non-disclosure agreements, then appeals also. Then there was a session about PILs, how to draft PILs. So all these things I learned. So live sessions used to held like twice in a week for my course, that is drafting course. Other than that, there used to be sessions on article writing or CV writing, and there used to be webinars. So in a week, there used to be like 4 to 5 sessions, all including article writing, CV writing, and webinars. So the live sessions were very helpful, as the strength of a class would include only maximum 20 students, and there used to be 2 mentors. So your doubts can be easily, you can ask your doubts easily, and they'll be answered simultaneously. Plus, as there are 2 mentors in per class, so if one mentor forgets to mention something, the other mentors covers it up. So the live sessions were really helpful. Just that due to COVID and heavy rains in Mumbai, there were some network issues, but then we can't help it. That's there. The only thing. Actually, the course, this 1 month course was very helpful for basics. Plus, I have done my basic laws like CRPC, IPC, contract in my previous years of law school. So I would suggest like people who has done all these basic law subjects in their law school, if they're opting for 1 month course. So people who are in that, if they're in integrated LLB course, that is 5-year degree course, if they're in third year or end of second year, then they should go for 1 month course. Because in 1 month period, we also understand that the time is less, so all the basics cannot be covered up. Then you feel like you're missing upon something. So the people who are in third or fourth semester, or drafting skill is required for everyone whosoever has enrolled themselves in law career. So drafting skill is required for everyone, but people who are there in third or fourth year or end of second year, or if they're pursuing three year LLB, then second year for sure onwards. So these people should enroll who has studied basic law in their previous years. So it will be really helpful then. You won't find any difficulty then in